stop shooting me? Reloading.
Goddamn goo!
Hey, look out!
Reloading. Look out!
Reloading!
Through that playground.
Reloading!
Watch out!
Uh-oh.
Reloading!
Watch out!
Grenade!
Reloading.
Grab the fire bullets. Alright. Reloading.
Reloading!
Yes.
Reloading.
Watch out!
Let's cut through the garage sale. Reloading!
Weapons.
Pipe bomb out. I gotta heal. Reloading! Reloading! Reloading!
Hey, watch out for landmarks. Maybe on the way back.
Yes.
Yes.
Cool.
He's fourth.
120 shit.
Reloading. Hey, there's a safe room right up there.
Pipe bomb here.
Now try to remember where the ammo dumps are at. We might need some on the way back.
Heads up!
Reloading.
Reload.
Reloading.
Get inside!
Reloading!
Mile jar.
Oh, hell yeah!
Let Dr. Nick fix you up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I ever tell you about the time my buddy Keith drove his car off a cliff but broke his leg? Okay.
Hey, you ain't going no further on this road.
Shoot me again! Shoot me again, I dare you!
Reload.
Shoot me again and I'll drop you.
Throwing a pipe bomb.
This rain really comes. You're gonna get washed away. Young.
You do realize that you're shooting me, right?
Some puke.
Stop shooting me!
Reload here.
Watch out!
Reloading here!
Reloading.
A little pick me up.
Reloading.
I'm reloading. Watch out!
I'ma reload.
Which?
I'm down. It's on my own. Give me some help.
Get up, get up.
The water's starting to pool.
Thanks, killer.
Quit fussing. I'll heal you.
I am not gonna die down here. Reloading. Up here. Reloading.
Reloading!
Reloading.
Reload.
Why we got guns?
Got a chainsaw. I hit it.
Grabbing a pipe bomb.
Reloading!
Reloading.